This is actually how you can start selling ebooks online without writing any single one. I want to show you a step-by-step procedure where you can start a business selling ebooks online without writing anyone. In this full step-by-step tutorial, I'll be showing you 3 basic things. 1, how to find these ebooks that you can actually sell online. 2, how you can actually rebrand them to carry your name as either the author, or you can do whatever you want to do with it. And number 3 is how to automate your process. That means how to set your online store, that even while you are sleeping, people can still be buying your book and your money will be reading in your online store. So I'm going to be showing you 3 things basically. So the first one here is where to get these digital products we can be selling online. Okay, they are all ebooks. So these products are actually called PRL product. They are called private label, right? PLR, not PRL. PLR product. They are called private label, right? So there's a specific website I normally use to download. It's called freeplrdownloads.com. If you watched my search bar there, you see it. So when you just go to your Chrome browser, you type it and send, it will take you to their official page. There you will see tons of different PLR products that you can actually download. You can see them here. We have this one, says Success with Shopify. You can see fitness, is it fitness what? Fitness psychology. And you see several of them here. Combat gaming addiction. So these are just top niches. These are not just random or anyhow kind of book. So if you scroll down, you can see. But if you want to go down the most so you can be specific with the kind of niche you're looking for, you will see different kind of niche here. You see, let me scroll downward again. You see addiction, adoption, advertising, affiliate marketing, and so on. There are different topics, but if you have not seen the one you're looking for specifically, you can just type here and you search. Let's say we are searching for a particular book called, let's say, blogging. We want to search for a particular book, an ebook around blogging. You type, you search. Now, these are tons of different books around blogging. All right, so you can just go through them. Now, if you're using your smartphone to access this, you won't be able to see the description of this book. So what you just have to do, you just read the little ones you can see. Let's say we are going with this first one, this second one, from the right hand side, blogging success. So you tap on it. Let's all right. Okay, now so here it will bring you to an interface like this. Like I told you earlier that you won't be able to see the description of this book, but all the products here are actually very good, so you don't have to bother about the description. So what you have to do now is to scroll downward to your screen and you will see where it says download. All right, so you can tap on download again. I've already downloaded this ebook before. All right, you tap on open. Now let me just explain a little about what these PLR products are. Now, these are products created by other authors. They were written by other authors for different purposes. So you can as well, they created this ebook, hosted them on different platforms. People can just go there, download them, use them for whatever purpose they want to use it for. And nobody will charge you for copyright or for stealing their material. Okay? So you should have this at the back of your mind. Now, once you've downloaded it, you go to your file, you see it. Now, the product always comes as a zip file. Right, so you tap on the zip file, you will see other files inside the zip file, the e-cover, the sales page, and so on. Now, if, like I said earlier, if you are accessing this product using your smartphone, there are certain things you won't have access to, like the e-cover, the sales page, and yes, you can have access to the license and the ebook itself. Now, this is the license here. So let's just open it so we see what is inside. Let's say open document. Let's just use open document. All right, so this is the license here. Now it says yes, can be sold, yes, can be used for personal use, yes, can be packaged with other product, yes, can be modified, change the sales letter, yes, can be added into a paid membership. So you see that you can actually do different things with this ebook and no one will sue you for maybe copyright issue and so on. Okay, so now once you've checked everything, now this is the product itself. This is the product itself, the blogging. This is the ebook. So what you have to do is to tap on it. You tap on it. Now, if you're using, maybe depending on the kind of phone you're using. Now, if you watch here, it says somewhere here that PDF edit. This is a follow come the option on my phone. So I did not download it from either Play Store, so it's just in my phone. Now if you have same phone like this, you don't have to bother yourself about editing it or looking for a software that can help you edit your PDF. Just tap on it, it will take you to where you start editing it. All right, but let's just open the document first before I talk about the editing part of it. Now this is the ebook here, so you can just see through it. You see that it's a detailed book, not just crappy or crappy something you find around. All right, so you can just go through it. You go through it. Now once you've seen the ebook, the next step here now is rebranding and customizing, or what we call editing. Okay, now if you watch here, you will see something here that says let me scroll down. It says legal notice, right? This legal notice. So if you want to sell this thing out, you should not just allow it to be there and sell it like that. You can edit it, remove the legal notice. Okay, so like I showed you that if you have a phone like mine that has this edit with PDF, this edit option here, you can just start editing it. Yes, you can just you can tap on delete. If you find out deleting, you tap on delete. Okay, select all. All right, so you can just go ahead and delete, do whatever you want to do. You want to add image, you can go ahead and add image. You can do whatever you want to do. But if you are not using phone like this mine, let me show you another option. I'm going to be dropping a link on the description of this video. On that link, I showed you on how you can edit PDF using any phone. Okay, I did that video, I think last year. It's on my channel. I'll put the link of that video on the description of this video. Just go there, you see it on how you can edit PDF, how to convert PDF to Word document for you to be able to edit it using just your smartphone. So the issue of editing is solved. Okay, so that part is actually solved. Let's go back, leave. All right, discard. All right, okay, we are trying to go back to our Chrome, so we continue from there. All right, so this is our Chrome now. Now the next thing we want to talk about, which is also very important, it is how to automate the process, how to set up your online store. So remember, we just talked about how to get this ebook, how to rebrand it. I've shown you how to rebrand it. I also made a recommendation that I'll be dropping a link on the description of this video where you can get access to a video that will show you how to edit, add images, do whatever you want to do on the ebook. Now the next one here we want to talk about is how to automate the process, how to create your online store. Okay, so we are going to use a particular site called SellStack. SellStack, this is it here, sellstack.com. So you can just go, maybe I'll put the link on the description also so that you won't bother yourself. Now this is like an online store, a small store made for small businesses. You can actually host a physical product on this side. You can actually host a digital product on this side. I've done a detailed video on how you can upload, how you can create your store. So I'll be dropping the link on the description of this video, how you can create your own online store. So what I want to show you here is how to host or upload a book on this site, how to upload product on this site. So I'll tap here now, it will take me to my dashboard. This is actually my dashboard. If you watch here, I made one sales here yesterday, 1,000 naira. I sold a particular of my, though not an ebook, my online course. Okay, so you watch here, say 1,000 naira. So you just screw up and just go through the screen. Now, for you to be able to upload product on this site, you need to create an account. Create an account, upload your store, put your contact details and everything, your bank details. I've done a detailed video on how you can use this platform. I'll be dropping the link on the description of this video. So let's proceed to upload our product here. You tap on the plus icon. Now it says select type to continue. Is it a physical product you want to upload, digital product, or service? We want to upload digital product. So you tap on digital, tap on continue. Now here you put in your product details. Let's say the product name is use blogging for beginners. Okay, now you select the category. It's an ebook, so you tap on ebook. Now you select the price. So since it's a free ebook, you didn't bother yourself or you didn't stress yourself to write anything. Just put it at a very minimal price that people can afford it and you can also make yourself. So let's use 1,000 naira. Then you put a slash price. We are selling this maybe for 3,000 before, but now we are selling it for just 1,000 naira. Once you're done with that, you tap on next. It will bring you to where you put the product details. Okay, so the first thing first, you put your image. Let's just find one random image there and let's use this one. Tap on done. Then here is where you put the product description. I always advise you always put a detailed product description. And for the advantage of using this website, this platform to host your digital product, you have the opportunity to add image, you have the opportunity to embed a video link to it. All right, so you can add a media link, or maybe you can just do a small review about the book, upload it on your YouTube, and just copy the link and you paste here. All right, there are other two options here, say embed also here. You can also embed also here, embed YouTube video link. So you just upload, make a screen recording of the ebook, upload it on your YouTube channel, copy the link, you paste here. So let's put a simple product description. Let's say this ebook will help you to scale. This ebook will help you to scale your blogging journey. Let's use that. So this is just for the sake of this tutorial, but if you want to do yours, make sure you put a detailed description about your ebook. And if you don't know how to write, you can either go to any AI platform like ChatGPT or DeepSeek and give it a description of the product and tell it to write a detailed product description for you. All you just have to do, once ChatGPT is done writing, you copy, you paste here, and that's all. All right, so the next thing here we are doing here, embed a YouTube video link. We're not going to be doing that, but if you want to, you just tap on it, you copy the link from maybe YouTube, you paste here. Okay, now let's proceed. Now upload a file. This is also very important. This is where you upload the file, the ebook itself. So once people buy, the thing will be sent. So like I told you, I want to show you how to automate the thing so that you don't bother yourself to be sending or copying and sending links. So all you just have to do is to automate everything now. Now we have two options here in case you want to upload. The first one here says drag and drop the file or click to browse. I don't usually recommend this pattern because it will always take time. Okay, so the best pattern I always recommend is to redirect buyer to an external link after payment. So you turn this on. Now once you've turned this on, before you can be able to do this, you must have uploaded that ebook maybe on Google Drive. Yes, Google Drive. Upload that ebook on Google Drive. Once you've done with that, you copy the link, like this is a Google Drive link, you paste it here. So once customer pay and everything, they'll be redirected to it to download the ebook. So they'll be redirected to download the ebook without even your consent. So if you don't know how to upload files on Google Drive, maybe if you need a detailed video of that, you can tell me on the comment section, then I'll do it. Then once you're done, you tap on next and you wait for it to load. Okay, so here is the final step, add form to this stack. Right, so this is where you add the form to this stack that if a customer wants to buy, you collect the customer details. Okay, this is what we call lead, to generate lead, to get customer details. So you just scroll down, you put your call to action. Let's say buy now. All right, that's our call to action. Now select the personal information you want to collect from leads. All right, so the best recommended one is always name, email address, phone number. All right, other ones are not essential. This is just a way to get back to customer. If perhaps a customer was trying to make a purchase and along the line he or she didn't fulfill or didn't continue, you can use the email address or the phone number to reach out to the customer. All right, so let's leave those three: the name, email address, and phone number. Now I say collect more information, not interested or not important. Appointment request, not important. Redirected link. All right, message after filling form. Thank you for taking your time to fill the form. Your entry has been taken. Then you tap on submit. That is the essential thing. Those are the essential things you need to put in place. Now it says success form created. Automatically we have, or officially we have created our link, or a link for this our product. Now what you have to do now is to copy this link. This is the link here for that product. You copy it and you start promoting on your Facebook page, all your social media handle, your TikTok, and so on. So whenever you make a post around a particular ebook you have selected or you're trying to sell, You, after making the post, you upload your link on, or add the link on the post. So just copy this link and you go to, let's close this. All right, you tap it here. Let's just see what is inside that the thing we just did just now. You tap on it. All right, so this is it here. This is actually what we just did. You tap on learn more. So once a customer taps on learn more, he or she will put her name, email address, and so on. Select the country code, Nigeria or so. You put everything is done, and once they tap on next, it will take them to where they'll put in their card details and everything, or choose other payment option, maybe transfer or USSD or OPay. Okay, so this is just a simple strategy I've just shown you now. In case you miss any part, just go back and watch the video. Okay, and in case you gain any value, you can as well share this video and also subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we drop new videos. Okay, you subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we drop new videos. In case you have any question, any comment, drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. I'll be seeing the subsequent videos. Bye for now. Thank you.